Hello and welcome to a new audio article of History. I am Ambrose. Today, the topic of discussion is Mughal period in history. This period was from 1526 to 40, and total all period was from 1555 to 1856. First of all, we'll learn about Babur. He was from 1526 to 1530. Guys, the foundation of the Mughal rule in India was laid down by Babur in 1526. He was a descendant of Taimur from the side of his father and Genghis Khan from the side of his mother. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat on April 21st, 1526 and established Mughal dynasty which lasted till the establishment of British rule in India. In 1527, he defeated Rana Sanga of Mewar at Khanwa. In 1528, he defeated Medini Rai of Chandheri at Chanderi. In 1529, he defeated Muhammad Lodi, uncle of Ibrahim Lodi at Khagra. Now, in 1530, he died at Agra. His tomb is at Kabul. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan right now. He adopted Tugluma and flanking party system and first to use gunpowder and artillery in India. He wrote his autobiography Tuzuk-e-Babri in Turkey, in which he gives an excellent account of India and his empire. Tuzuk-e-Babri was translated in Persian, named Babarnama by Abdur Rahim Khan Khana, and in English by Madame Beveridge. He compiled two autobiographies of poems, Divan in Turkey and Muviyan in Persian. He also wrote Risal-e-Usaz or Letters of Babur. Thank you very much for listening this audio article. Thank you very much. Thank you.